Alright, today's video is going to be a little bit about lock picking and is brought to us by a couple of really good lock picking movies. Nicolas Cage in National Treasure featuring Sean Bean, and another one that I really like, it's a pretty old movie. It's called Sneakers with Robert Redford, Ben Kingsley, Dan Aykroyd, Sidney Poitier, and a few others. Oh, River Phoenix is in that one too. So today's video is about lock picking and the progress that I am making on this safe. This is a tool. It's actually a training tool. This Practice Safe by Sparrows. There's the Sparrows logo. So I've been working on this thing. I tried to open it without knowing the combination, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't even come close, I guess. But I have been playing around with combination locks for a long time. Now this is one that I know the combination to. These are really easy. Let's see. I think it's 4. $14 and $29, and that combination is on the back there. Another one that I've had quite a few of these. These are like key hiders. This is a Champs, and I keep the combinations on little things here. This little tag so I don't lose it. I see that 0826. These are really nice to hide keys, but they're not real secure. Now on this one, you pull down that lever and it opens up. Put keys in there. But the one I like a lot, this is just happened to be a Ben Kingsley brand. I don't think they're related, but it is a Kingsley. Nice picture of an antlered animal there. Mule deer probably. And the combination to this is 5826. Let's see if we can get it open. Now this one opens differently. It opens up and then out. You can hide keys in there. That's a pretty cool one. Like I said, I keep the keys or the combinations attached, or I never get them open. So today is about the Sparrows, and I tried to get this thing open without the combination, but I could not. So I do have the combination. It's in this little bag. It's a safe combination. Do not open unless you give up. I gave up. So the combination is here. At least 3 or 2 of the numbers. It's a 3-digit. 2570 and something else. So I'm going to try to get this open so we can see what's on the inside. So first it says to rotate a bunch of times to get all the levers neutralized, and stop on 25. And you got to stop really accurately on these numbers. Okay, there's the first one. Second one is rotate twice around 70. Okay, there's once. Okay, there's a click. I think that's the right number. I might have to go one more. I'm going to try to go to the end and see if I can do it. And then counterclockwise. There's a click. There's another engagement right to 43. Okay, now it says just to rotate clockwise till you feel it, the bolt give way. Okay, I can't feel it, so I made a mistake. I'm going to start over. I think I made one less turn, or one fewer turn than I should have on the 70. I'm going to try to do this fast. 25. Okay, there's one. Engagement. 2. There's some engagement. Getting heavy. 3. I'm going to go back to 43. Passed once. To 43. And now I should be able to turn this clockwise and get it to open. Okay, heavy engagement. Heavy, heavy, heavy. I think that should have done it. Yep, there it is. So okay, so I got this thing open. Now let's take a look at what's in it. Now it's interesting because it's got, this is a training tool, so it's got extra levers. They're interchangeable. Here's one. There's 2. And there's some springs. I think there's a little screwdriver down there too. And there's another one. So there's a bunch of levers I can replace. And that is some kind of screwdriver there. Now I'm going to open this up just to take a look at what's inside. This is where all the brass parts are. Just has 2 screws to get it off. Get the cover off. So there you can see the internal workings. It's got a bunch of wheels. It looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 wheels. And of course there is the main lever. And there's a locking bar on the side. So this is all like practice. You know, I can mess with these, learn how to do more safes like this. I'm going to put it back together and close it up. Just 2 little screws hold that back plate on. Now you can see when I turn the wheel, that's the locking bar in and out. So I'm going to close it up all the way, turn that locking bar, or get that locking bar engaged. Now that is locked up once again. So that is the progress I've made on the Sparrows practice combination vault lock. I'll probably be doing more of these. Hope to learn how to do some really good ones. So that's it, and we're going to give cowbell today to the Sparrows Lock Company and one of my favorite movies, Sneakers. Knuckle bump.